Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a Taparia WS tipping player. It is useful tools for any electrical and electronics work. You can use it cutting or slicing wires. Also can help in small gardening, and you can cut small plants trim easily. The product quality is very good. You can see the model number Taparia WS 06. It's cut very well compared to other similar cutter. Its length is 130 mm. You can see handle quality is very good. You can see on the packet maximum retail price is written on the packet 69 rupees, but I bought from Amazon only 62 rupees with free delivery. This is not a professional quality cutter, but is good enough for small jobs at home. I will always suggest you to buy this product in this price range.